Yeah, the owner of this building was my grandfather, person that born my father. And his name is Samuel Jidofonzegu from Onitsha.
Hello guys, so today we visited Onitsha, Anambra State. We visited the only surviving building from the Nigerian Civil War. This building you are seeing now is the only building that was affected during the Biafran War that is still standing till date. You can see bullets all over the walls of the building. That was how much this building was affected during the war. But why did so much bullets on just one building? So we interviewed the grandchild of the person that built this building. He told us so many things about this building and the reason why this building got affected this much by bullets. So stay tuned. Let's go on this one.
Yeah, the owner of this building was my grandfather, person that born my father. And his name is Samuel Jidofonzegu from Onitsha, Oboza village in Onitsha. He built this building was erected on 24th 1924, and the man died in 1936. This village that happens, this village that you are seeing now is what happens in Biafran War. We started in 1967 and ended in 1970. That's why you see this building being like this. And it is the only building that is like this now in Onitsha. So that is the thing. Nigerian people were at the back, then the Biafran people were at the front. So they were wanted to put this building down so that they will be seeing themselves. But they cannot they cannot pull it down. That's why you see these bullets on it. Many casualties then. That's why that building, because they wanted to put this building down, but they couldn't do it. That's why you see the bullets more. But we are using it as a museum. It happened in the Biafran War. That is a civil war between Nigeria and Biafra. That's why we leave it. But in actual fact, we were using it as a bar. That is where our grandfather lived. He married 4 wives. That's where he lives. If the government can approach us, then two of us will know. We and the government will know what to do with it. But they have not come. It's only during the Ojuku's burial that they came here and they documented it. And they didn't come again since then. They told us that they will come, but we didn't see anybody.
So the man said that they intentionally preserved this building so that it will be a museum. They said they always open for the government to come and partner with them to make this place a proper museum. But since then, government hasn't come, government hasn't approached, government hasn't even recognized the presence of this only standing building that survived the Biafran War. I think our government needs to do better. They need to do better. This is a place that's supposed to be preserved for our children, for our students, so that when they come here, they will have a glimpse of what their forefathers went through fighting the Biafran War. It could be used for so many things, for research purpose. So I encourage the government of Anambra State to look into this matter. The family, they are eager. They are open to partnership. They are always eager to partner with the government. It's just for the government to show interest, to come down here and talk with them, make this building, make this place look better, the environment, everything to look like a proper museum